Okay, so if I am asking you, sketch this angle minus 230 degree. Can you sketch? Huh? Visible? Yes, yes. Visible. Visible, na? Why you are teasing Yaswant? Yaswant is so sweet boy, and you are teasing Yaswant. Huh? You all are jealous of Yaswant. Okay, now write down this part. We'll do our next question. Uh-huh. क्या क्या break dance brightness. Oh, yes, wait. Mhm. Now say this. Now write down sign of sign of visible, na? Visible. Sign of trigonometric function. Write down sign of trigonometric function. So what I'm going to teach you here is, देखो, this is your y axis, x axis. हाँ, हो गया, over. This is your first quadrant. This is your second quadrant, and this is your third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant. Okay, na? So if you will take angle from first quadrant, na, any angle from first quadrant, so all will give you positive value. You take any one angle from 0 to 90 degree. This is 75 degree. So sine 75, cos 75, tan 75, cosec, sec, cot, all will give you positive value. It means in first quadrant, all are positive. I am writing A. A means all. Okay. So which is positive in first quadrant? All are positive in first quadrant. Now in second quadrant, if you take angle of second quadrant, so only sine will be positive. And if sine is positive, cosec also positive. Okay. Now if we'll take angle of third quadrant, tan will be positive. And fourth quadrant angle, cos will be positive. Acha, this I have told you in trigonometry, na? So that we have to remember after school to college. Okay, na? Write down this part. After writing that, we'll write one question. Question is, solve the following inequality. Solve the following. Okay, and in this A part that we have to solve is sin x greater than 0. Tell me what will be x. Sin x greater than 0. What will be x? We want sign to be positive. Greater than 0 means positive. So tell me, where is sign positive here? First quadrant and second quadrant. Yes or no? So how we'll write answer here directly? We can write answer x belongs to, first we will write 0 to pi. Because first quadrant will start from here. It will cover all first quadrant, it will cover all second quadrant, and it will end here. Yes or no? So 0 to pi, that is simple way of writing. But again we have to write in general form, n form. So what I will do, I will add here 2n pi, I will add there 2n pi, we'll get total. Okay, so open bracket 0 plus 2n pi, 2n pi. And 2n pi plus 1 pi, 2n plus 1 pi. And what is n here? N belongs to integer also you can write, z also you can write. Tell me, correct na? Easy or not? Huh? Write down. These all things we are doing, these all questions we are doing directly by understanding of quadrant. Directly by understanding of quadrant. Directly by understanding of quadrant. So, but we can also solve this question by number line. You want to see number line? कौन बच्चा है जो नो सर बोल रहा था? So do you remember how to solve inequality with help of number line? First thing, one side it should be 0. So already 0 is there or not? And other side single term should be there. So tell me, sin x is single term or not? Yes or no? But here I will solve only between 0 to 2 pi. Once we'll solve 0 to 2 pi, I will add 2n pi. I will get all angle. Okay na? So we have to solve between 0 to 360 degree. So I will write on number line only. I will write 0 and 2 pi. I will start from 0 and I will start from 2 pi and at 2 pi. I will not write minus infinity to infinity. In case of trigonometry, we don't write minus infinity to infinity. Only we find between 0 to 2 pi. And whatever I will get, I will simply add 2n pi. Like here, we got 0 to pi, na? I will add 2n pi here, I will add 2n pi here, I will get the total answer. Okay? 0 to 2 pi. Now, after that, what we do? What is the next thing? Solve this is equals to 0. Sin x is equals to 0. Tell me, what are the angle where sin x is 0? 0 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. Sine 270 is -1. चल पीछे चलो. Go back. Come here, Avesh, come here. चल come this side. Bag. Arrange your bag. Okay na? So what was the next step? We solve sin x is equals to 0. Do you remember we were finding roots of that? So sin x is equals to 0. You will get two value. One is 0 degree, 180 degree, again 360 degree. Because 0 degree here, 180 degree, again 360. But no need to write 360. Simply we'll write 0 here and 180. So 0 is already on boundary 180. Yes, na? Now two reason is there. Now we have to put plus minus sign. So tell me any one angle between 180 to 360 degree. 270. Put here 270. Sine 270 negative value -1. Sine 90 plus 1. Sine 270 -1. Okay na? So here this side will get minus sign. Or you can take any other angle. So whatever angle you will take, 180 to 360, don't you think that is in third and fourth quadrant? And in third and fourth quadrant, if angle is from third and fourth quadrant, sign will be negative or not? That is negative. Now, 0 to 180 degree, tell me any one angle. 90 degree. Put sine 90, positive or negative? So here we'll get positive sign. And do you remember, when equals to sign is not present, we put open bracket. See, everything is getting correct. Open bracket, here also open bracket, yes or no? What do we want? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. Where is positive? 0 to pi. So you'll write open bracket 0 to pi. After getting this, we will add 2n pi. 2n pi to 2n plus 1 pi. Done. Write it down. I am giving my energy. Understand? When we touch head, na, you will understand when you will become father at that time. Huh? But yes, one, not only blessings are there, blessings and love both. Okay. Now say this. One question can I give? Chalo, if you'll say, I will give you chocolate now. Two methods are there or not? One quadrant method, and one number line method. Second question I am going to give. You have to answer this, okay? Solve this. Sin x into cos x greater than equals to 0. Again write 0 to 2 pi and then solve. Which method you want me to say? Tell me. First number line or quadrant? See, if you want to move quadrant wise from here, then one technique is required. That technique, see, both product is positive or not. This is only possible when sine is positive and cos is positive, or sine is negative, cos is negative. Either both are positive or both are negative. If both are positive, positive into positive, positive. And if both is negative, negative into negative also positive. Yes or no? Yes, na? So now tell me, in which quadrant sine and cos both is positive? First quadrant. So 0 to pi by 2. Yes, na? Now in which quadrant both is negative? Third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan is positive means sine cos is negative, na? So that is this solution what I am telling you now, that is from understanding of quadrant. So what we'll write here? 0 to pi by 2. This is for first quadrant. Union third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2. Now open bracket, close bracket. What bracket we have to put? Open bracket or close bracket, that we have to know, na? Tell me, if 0, x is 0. So tell me sine 0 into cos 0. What is sine 0? 0. What is cos 0? 0 into 1. So tell me, 0 greater than equals to 0, true or false? True. So it means 0, close bracket. So if it is satisfying, close bracket. Not satisfying, open bracket. Now tell me, pi by 2, sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2, 1. Cos pi by 2, 0. Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. Sine 91, cos 90, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 greater than equals to 0, correct? Now, sine 180 degree, 0. Cos 180, minus 1. 0 into minus 1, 0. Again close. 270. Sine 270, minus 1. Cos 270, 0. So that all value I will give you now. That is the answer. And you add 2n pi here. 2n pi 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi 2. 2n plus 2 pi. 2n 4n plus 3 pi by 2. Simply add 2n pi here. You will get the answer. ठीक है? In Vidyapit test paper I saw, that test is very easy, but I am removing questions from there. 10 questions I am giving from my own side. I am also putting easy question only, but not that much easy. What you have practiced in class, that thing all I am putting. Logarithmic inequality, how to solve modulus question, that whole thing. Okay, so that their question paper is like according to 11th. But whatever I have taught you in basics, that is according to 12th class, first chapter, I have given you everything. Logarithmic inequality you have learned now. In test paper, there is not a single question. So I have kept 3 questions from my own side. So 12 to 13 question, not 12 to 10 questions I have typed. 10 question I will send, and I will remove 10 question from there. Those all 10 question only you can solve. Those all 10 question only you can solve. Because I have taught you I am telling you now, I have taught you your basics mathematics according to 12th class chapter. Not according to 11th. Okay, I will tell you some easy things. Okay, we'll enjoy and all. You have not, 1 month you have learned that topic. Okay. Yes, now you want to do this question with number line. You want to do this question, huh? So again, we'll write 0 to pi. Yes or no? 0 to 2 pi. One side is 0 available. No problem, 0 is available. And one side, this whole thing, single thing present. Now we'll find the roots of this. Sin x into cos x is equals to 0. So what will be root? Sin x is equals to 0, cos x is equals to 0. So what I will solve here? I will solve here. This I will write. So from there, first thing will be find root sin x into cos x is equals to 0. Sin x into cos x is equals to 0 means sin x is equals to 0 or cos x is equals to 0. Now sin x is equals to 0. 0 and 180 degree. So 0 is here. 180 is here. Now cos x is equals to 0. 90 and 270. So 90 will be here. And 270 will be here. Now take any angle from 270 to 360. Fourth quadrant, na? So in fourth quadrant, tell me, sine is positive or negative? Negative. Cos is positive or negative? Positive. So negative number into positive number will give negative value, na? So this side sine will be, this is third quadrant. Third quadrant. Third quadrant, sine and cos, both is negative, negative. Negative into negative, positive. So you will get positive sign. Or now can you tell me how many times 3 pi by 2 is root here? One time, sign will change. How many times pi is root here? One time. For sin x is equals to 0, you will get only x is equals to pi. One time, sign will change. Pi by 2, one time, sign will change. That method also we can apply. So plus minus, minus plus minus plus. Now equals to sign is there or not? At equals to sign, close bracket. So where will be close bracket? Here, 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 here. And 0 and 360 is same. So leave 360. If 360 is there, then also we can put. So what will be answer now? 0 to pi by 2 union pi to 3 pi by 2. Done. And 0 and 360 degrees same. So no need to add 360, na? Simply add now 2n pi. 2n pi to 2n pi plus pi by 2, 2n pi plus pi to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 2. Done. Okay, na? Method is same. Write down. Ananya, Yaswant, Yaswant, from where you have taken that चश्मा? आंटी उंटी से मांग के लाए हो क्या? आसपास कोई? Okay. Now we are going to do some few questions. Acha, some more concept you will write down. See, when I say this, again one concept topic is there. So you are seeing now, if you know the concept, then only you can do the question. So this is some other concept for sin x is equals to 0 and 1 minus 1, that all thing here. This is point A. So any angle at this point, sine value will be 1. Sorry, sine value will be 0 and cos value will be 1. So this place is for 2 pi, yes or no? 0, 2 pi, 4 pi. So if I ask what is sine 4 pi 0, what is cos 4 pi 1? What is sine 6 pi 0? What is cos 6 pi 1? Okay na? And now at over here, at B position, so this is position of 90 degree, yes or no? And you know na sine 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So here sine 90 will be, sine value will be 1 and cos value will be 0. Again here C point. Here sine value is 0, cos value is minus 1. Same thing will come here, but only cos will become negative, that's all. Sine will be 0. 0 will not change, 1 will change to minus 1. So here sine will be 0, cos will be minus 1. Now this is D point. See here, 0 will not change. 1 will change to minus 1. So cos 0 is here. Here also cos will be 0. Sine will become minus 1. Now here, see this. Suppose I am asking sine square x is equals to 1. Find x. So if sine square x is equals to 1, don't you think sine x is equals to plus minus 1? And sine x is equals to 1 here. And sine x is equals to minus 1 here. Sine x equals to minus 1 here. Sine x is equals to 1 here. And do you remember last class I said B and D point collectively will set 2n plus 1 pi by 2? It means here answer will be x is equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. It means if sine square x is 1, what does it mean? Either sine x is plus 1 or sine x is minus 1. When sine x is plus 1, B point. Sine x is minus 1, D point. So between B and D, or is there. So that's why whenever B or D, we write 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Yes or no? Or similarly also we can write, this is answer of one more question. And that is cos square x equals to 0. Cos square x is equals to 0. What does it mean? Cos x is 0. So where is cos x 0? B point. Other where is cos x 0? D point. So both cos x is 0 or not? So it means B and D both. So what will say? X is equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay? So if I ask here to you, cos square x is equals to 1. Can you tell me what will be x? Cos square x is equals to 1. So what is cos x? Plus minus 1. What is cos x? Yes, yes, visible na? Yes, cos x is equals to plus minus 1. So what will be x? N pi. And n pi, what is n? Integer. Engineer nahi, integer. Integer we write with I sign also, we write with Z sign also, both. Okay? So write down this part. Nitin Raju. A Raju. So see, when we consider this theta na, so in this theta, we take this angle as theta now. Okay? Simply you remember. No need to go inside why we are doing that. Because there will be no use of all these things. But still, few things we have to know. You can think like this also. But कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There is no use of that. ठीक है ना? Sometimes I find it useful when I teach you this topic. That's all. In solving questions and all, I don't find this useful. Okay. Acha, I have told you na sine 90 plus theta cos sine 180 minus theta. Name change and all part. हाँ बताया हूँ ना. ये तो वसीयत बना रहे हो तुम. हाँ व्हाट सॉन्ग. कौन सा सॉन्ग भैया. Okay, now question is evaluate. See this. We have to find sine, cos, tan for all this angle. Yes, na? So do you remember na, if any angle is greater than 360 degree, how what will do? Do you remember that 3690 degree was there? But this is only simple 300 degree. This is simple 405 degree. Yes, this is greater than 360. Yes or no? This is 30 degree, pi by 6, 180 by 6, 30 into 7, 210 degree. And this is 45. This is also something greater than 495. This is total 495 degree. Okay now. So say this first. So suppose first of all you have to remember this 4 angle 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. So do you remember in basics maths we have told you how to find tan 90 minus theta. So do you remember tan and 270 name will change. Tan and 270 name will change. So can you tell me what will be the name of tan? Wow. What will be the name of tan change to cot? Cot name changes to tan. Sine name changes to cos name changes to cosec changes to sec. Sec changes to cosec. Or Puneet. So can we write this? Suppose I am asking you, say this. I am asking you find sine 300 degree. So can we write 300 degree as sine? Which is the nearest angle of 300 degree? 270 also, 360 also, both side, 1. So tell me, you want to write 270 or 360? So we'll write 270 plus 30 degree. Now 270, name will change or not? So this will become cos 30 degree. Now tell me 270 plus 30, which quadrant? 270 plus, this is 270 point, na? Plus 30 will be fourth quadrant or third quadrant? So in fourth quadrant, sign is positive or negative? So here this will become minus sign and this will become minus cos 30, which means minus root 3 by 2. Okay? Same. Now same we can do for cos also, na? So what we'll do for cos 300, tell me cos 300 degree? We'll write again cos 270 plus 30 degree. 270 degree, what will happen? Name will change, sine 30 degree. And sine 30 degree, 270 plus 30, which quadrant? Third or fourth? Fourth. Cos is positive or negative? So simple, that will be plus sine 30 and that value will be 1 by 2. Now tan 300 degree. Tan 300 degree, again we'll write tan 270 degree plus 30 degree. 270 name will change, cot 30 degree, and tan is negative, that will become minus cot 30. Yes, minus root 3. Okay. Yes, na? Now can you see this is negative angle? This positive, positive, positive angle. So positive angle, no problem. Negative angle. What will do for negative angle? No, no, no. Yes, you can think like that, but see this. Whenever sine minus theta is there, that will be minus sine theta. Cos minus theta is there, tan minus theta is there, minus tan theta. So from sine and tan, minus will come out. From cos, minus will vanish. So if I am asking what is cos minus 30 degree? Cos 30 degree. Minus theta, which quadrant? Cos minus 30, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos will be positive. And sine and tan will be negative now. So negative theta will generate. Okay. इसको कहा जाता है बच्चों को भुला देना. नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Sometimes happen na, you will cry for some big thing at home and your mother will give very small thing and you will be happy with that. And only mother will understand what she has done. You will never understand. So the question which you have asked, that was very big. Okay. Only from a small understanding I explained you. Only I know what I have explained you. And you know you have understand fully. But I know what actually I have explained you. No problem. Your doubt over, na? That's all. You ask me after class. Okay. But that was correct, means somehow it was correct only. Negative means ulta jana. Cos minus 30. Minus will, that will be cos 30 only. Okay. So now suppose I am asking you find value of sine minus 405 degree. Write down. Sine minus 405 degree. Sine minus 405 degree. Sine minus 405 degree. Minus will come outside sign, yes or no? And this will become 405 degree. Minus I will write as it is. How you write 405 degree? Don't you think 360 plus 45? And that will become minus sine 45, yes or no? And sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So this will be minus 1 by. (360 plus is, after 360 you will again reach at same point, na? So suppose you are standing at 45 degree. You rotated 360. Where now what is your angle? 360 plus 45 degree. But both point is same na. So value will be same. Or simply you can divide 405 by 360. Remainder will be 45. Now tomorrow our main topic will start for the trigonometric function and everything. Okay? Sing song. Who will sing song? Sing. Write down. Write down one thing. This is concept of sequence and series chapter. One small concept. Write down. Because there are a lot of questions on this in this chapter based on topic name is, write down, bache, write down. Topic name is AM greater than equals to GM, or AM GM inequality. Write down topic. AM GM inequality. Okay, now see this. AM GM inequality. AM means arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means average. What is average of 1, 2, 3? 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3. What is average of 2 and 4? 2 plus 4 by 2. Okay na? So arithmetic mean means average. AM stands for arithmetic mean. And it also means average according to our normal understanding. Average. Geometric mean. GM. Arithmetic mean comes from arithmetic progression, AP. Geometric mean comes from geometric progression. Now, suppose for two numbers A and B, A comma B, what will be arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean will be A plus B by 2. See, this you know, average, finding average. Now you have to learn here geometric mean. Geometric mean is multiply both A into B and raise to 1 by 2. So from where 2 is coming? Because of 2 number 2 is coming. So if 3 number ABC is there, what will be geometric mean? A into B into C raised to 1 by 3. Okay. So for 3 numbers, what will be AM? And what will be GM? Okay. Now, say this. You take any two. See this, where we will use this topic. First, this topic will be used when in question something is about minima, maxima, range for positive expression. So in any question, some positive expression is given to you, and for that expression, you have to find minimum, maximum, or range type thing. We'll apply this technique. Always remember, whenever I see question, if I see positive expression is given, and I have to find minimum, maximum, or range, I directly try this concept. Okay. Now, what is this? You give me any two number. Any two number. Positive number, because this topic will only work for positive number. You don't have to give any negative number. So you take 5 and 9. So you find arithmetic mean of 5 and 9. What it will be? 5 plus 9 by 2. What will be geometric mean of 5 and 9? 5 into 9 raised to 1 by 2. Acha, tell me, 9 and 5 was two number. 9 and 5 was two number. Yes, na? Arithmetic mean also became one number. Geometric mean also became one number. So arithmetic mean number will be always greater than geometric mean or equals to. So arithmetic mean will be always greater than geometric mean. Always remember. Or both will be equal. Arithmetic mean either it will be greater than geometric mean or either it will be equal to geometric mean. Arithmetic mean will never be less than geometric mean. That is a concept. And because inequality is coming, inequality means range only. Okay. So suppose I am asking you question, find range of question. Find range of sin square theta plus cosec square theta. This is the question of find range of sin square theta plus cosec square theta. Okay. And suppose you want to solve this question. So how will solve? Oh ho ho. This all are there. See how I am going to solve. See, first of all, this is range type question. And range type question, tell me sin square theta will be positive term or not? Cos square theta will be positive term or not? And their addition range we have to find. So I am going to do one thing. If I will consider this as one number, I will consider it as second number. I will find arithmetic mean of that. I will find geometric mean of that. So tell me, arithmetic mean will be greater than geometric mean or not? So I am going to find arithmetic mean of that. So how will write? Sin square theta plus cosec square theta by 2. This will be arithmetic mean. What will be geometric mean? Sin a square theta into cosec a square theta raised to 1 by 2. Tell me, both will get cancelled. That will become 1 or not? And that will be greater than equals to sine or not? Now from here we can say sine a square theta plus cosec a square theta by 2 is greater than equals to 1. 1 raised to 1 by 2, 1. And this is positive number. Positive number we can cross multiply or not? Yes. And this will become sine a square theta plus cosec a square theta greater than equals to 2. It means this value will be either greater than 2 or equals to 2. It means greater than equals to 2. So close bracket 2 to infinity. This value will be always greater than 2 or equals to 2. So range became 2 to infinity. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand everything by seeing your face, everyone face. When I will say I can understand everything. Yes, one face also I can understand. I can understand all student face. What actually you are feeling at that time, everything I can understand. But the thing is, I cannot do anything.